The ampersand, it's basically a J and a partial S that are connected together, but going in opposite directions. So you'll see the J here and then the backwards S there. But the main thing to remember is you're going to do your J letter form, and then you're going to do that backwards S, but you do want to connect on the opposite side here. Really focusing on that curve, but then also that straight part of the stroke, and then on the opposite side. It did come over a little bit there, but I'll just make sure that I'm smoothing it out. And cleaning up my negative space. Again, following backwards S. And then cleaning up that final stroke. And taking your time because it is a bit difficult to connect the two. Making sure we don't have any little jagged bits left over, and making sure we have that nice chisel on that final stroke. And there we have it, an ampersand.